Click on the link below to get price. The OM System M.Zuiko Digital ED 40 to 150mm f/2. 8 Pro Weatherproof Lens is a remarkable addition to any photographer's kit, particularly for those who value versatility and durability. This lens covers a focal length equivalent to 80 to 300mm in full frame terms, making it ideal for both portraits and wildlife photography. The constant f/2. 8 aperture throughout the zoom range ensures excellent low-light performance and beautiful bokeh, allowing for striking subject isolation. One of the standout features of this lens is its weatherproof construction. Designed to withstand harsh conditions, it is both dust and splash-proof, making it suitable for outdoor shooting in various environments. This durability is a significant advantage for photographers who frequent unpredictable weather or challenging terrains. The lens is also relatively lightweight for its class, making it easy to carry during extended shoots without compromising on performance. Image quality is impressive, with sharpness maintaining excellent levels even at the edges of the frame. The lens incorporates advanced optical technologies, including ED glass elements, which help reduce chromatic aberrations and improve overall color accuracy. This results in vibrant images with minimal distortion, a crucial consideration for professional work. The autofocus system is fast and reliable, making it easy to capture fleeting moments with precision. Whether you're tracking a moving subject or shooting in low-light conditions, the lens performs admirably. Additionally, the lens features a customizable LFN button, allowing for quick adjustments without taking your eye off the viewfinder, which enhances the user experience significantly. In conclusion, the OM System M.Zuiko Digital ED 40 to 150mm f/2. 8 Pro Weatherproof Lens is a versatile and robust lens that excels in various shooting scenarios. Its combination of image quality, build durability, and user-friendly features makes it a worthwhile investment for both amateur and professional photographers looking to elevate their craft.